Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors, halat ko ni Shillong, ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobiyeng jongpi.
Ke Sarkar Jilla haga jingelang kabalalong haga sengi balang jong ka arpauterik ubnaya yong arajara arpuar kala shimnya ka rai ban pendamno ya ka memorandum of agreement balaya soy bat kishlem penmi boarding shimet bat jong ka Sarkar pedeng ya ki balaya soy nadu usnam arajar henyo haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai kubor usembut menteri rangba jong ka Jilla uba preston tensong uba pedru ya katanat sam boarding uliyatho baki company shimet kibala sya pendamno ke memorandum of agreement kilong ke MS Antenna Kinshi Power Private Limited kabala shimti bantai jika Kinshi Stage 1 project ke JP Meghalaya Power Limited kabala shimti ban shnai ke Kinshi Stage 2 project uba presto nuliyatho ba ke jing pendamno ya ke memorandum of agreement kalong hadin begini company shimet kila penpau ya ke jing bamla satya ban pentrei ya kini ki project kibahe Shushu uliyatho badai tang kanipko kabala sedang ban pentelun syakman ban shnai ki project penmi boarding kum kawa umyam stage 3 ke umyam stage 2 bad ke umyam stage 1 bad ke thermal power project he is Garo Hills district uliyatho baje kini ki project penmi boarding ki bala kini no na kini ki company ansa IT syakanipko
MOA kami sign nadu kitu ke arhajar 2007, 2008, 2009. But kini ki central agency, but kumjuru but ki private developers, ki belum interested ia kaban set up lane ban generate ia kaneka power energy haka hydro sector. Te mentakasnya ngalakot ikaneka review meeting haka bagini ki representative jong kini ki companies ki bapher ki bangilai sign ya kaneka MOA hagini ki stem ki postem ki badem te ngakot mentakasnya song ni meeting ban review kinu ki project ki ba ya chakmat ba kinu ki project pada ki bom ya chakmat te hagini ki jingya song jong ni kaneka review meeting mentakasnya kawai ka project ka bangi ong ka Kinshi hydro electric project ya ketu hadin bangi keren rangkat bat kanika company ka bangi ong ka Athena Kinshi Power Private Limited New Delhi hadin bangi lay discuss kilaya keren ba nadong sedong hakabodu isyen ba nakalyang kini ki company martini kidai ko bungabi kini kidai ki private investors, private developers, kibaki daladi ki identify kini valley dan kini rivers kibaki kuah ban generate jika power hapo kejela kejuni te kawai ne kata kabang kemo Kinshi project kaba nilai sign ke MOA bat ka Athena Kinshi Power Private Limited de mentak kesni ada review meeting nilai sim ya karai kalau ba kin ma suban proceed further madon bun kijing kam tam kan ya tengku ru bat ka tuka bani ong ka tuka namarkan ni ka wa Kinshi ka dot ship itu bijakan badai badon ini ujuriyom deposit yatin jom kita gige te hak hadu kajingnya keren kalau ba naklen company kalau ba nakalian jom ministry jom forest environment ru ka advice kalau ba nginem tak syu ya nginem ya chakmat ya kaneka project kami ong ka Kinshi hydroelectric project kami sign how ada new bak kaneka JP Meghalaya Power Limited kani pada ka Kinshi stage 2 kani kade hakaju ka case hakabakadu na kalian jom kini ki investors ki developers ki penpau bakir ka bakamlong feasible bakamlong economical syu ya kaban pentrei kani tinggi simi karai ba ngin kansen no ya kani ka MOA jongki te kawepat ka project ka ba bang ya sign kani ka MOA ha usnem arja kat arbat kani ka NIPCO silong kata ka bangi ong ka project keteng juga projek kadeka wa umyam stage 3 kaba la ban pemi kuma praposan megawatt ya kani kakam kaja sekmat bat nakaliam jong kanipku ke ai ka assurance ba kini ya sekmat kumno ban pendet ya kani ka projek kumba nilai sainnya kani ka MUA HUR aja kata kidang don susu sa kidang don susu ki ni ke projek nakaliam jong kanipku ka banyong ka umyam stage kani ka umyam stage 1 umyam stage 2 kaniru kade ka jiktrua na kalian jong kanipku kena kalian jong ka department ka power department mentang la penkre pada saya ka MUA ka banginya sain bat kanipku sana ka menta ka stage 1 bat ka stage 2 nomor ka stage 3 kala long in advance akabawat kalan evolution menta kaya sekmat te basak menta kalong sa ka stage 1 bat ka stage 2 bat ya kaniru Muslim su bat government ka sign ya kaneka agreement bat ka dipko Shillong bahkan sedang ya kini ki project ki joki ka project ka ba nakalian kanipku hi ka kata ka punya sign ya agreement hawa aja kata bat kata ka di ka thermal power project hapo Karo Hills, hapo East Karo Hills, ya kaniru kakam kelaya sekman, hakaba benta nakaliang jong kanipko bidang pang banyo ka clearances napo Delhi kabaya day baka Ministry of Forest Environment nang taru kumju nakabaya day baka Ministry of Coal hakaba ka thermal project kadai bak penungkam da udeuyo kiba red kiba kamrit kabangi ong ka GMD Aqua Power Private Limited ka Umran Small Hydro Project ka ba khatlai pensan dan megawatt ya kaniru menta stam baginya sain ya kanika MUA ha kini ki kendiat ski kibangan bat kanika company bat kawai pada kanika VAX ka badina po Hyderabad kani pada kan permi ko aku saw megawatt kani kadina ka tukawa kami ka nong ummer small hydro power project kani ka stage ka baginya sign ka MUA ni la penkre ka power department bat ni la atau ka cabinet akabakin sign ya ini sign pada agreement bat kiru sedang ya kani ka project ka jongki ka agreement ka sign mensua awak jaspo kepada ka Harappal Satyapal Limited New Delhi kani kadai ka thermal project apo Karo Hills kani kadai ka apo South Karo Hills ya kani ru kumong ngi na kalian jong ka company ka ya sekmat kumno bat petrika mi jadi project ban ngakemen skemba hagini ki kendiat stem ke banwan ginla ya kapan pendet ya kini ki project ya ba nilai sign ya ka MPE kata kadai ka information ka bang bakat share bagi press bro na kabenta tangkum ka tip ya kaneka review meeting kan isyong dan si akabagini ki representative bro jong kini ki private company rekat pakinit ko kilawan daladi akabangi kren matma na kabenta ka jinglong serious jong ki ya kini ki kam ki jam pengumpat pendet project ke jong. Number 2 is about the again Umyam stage 1, Umyam stage 2. This one we are in the stage of finalizing the agreement and this one very soon I will take it to the cabinet for signing of the MOA as far as the Umyam stage 1 and Umyam stage 2 project. The Umyam stage 1 is about 50 megawatt. Umyam stage 2 is 100 megawatt. So again, the NIPCO has already signed MOA in the year 2011 relating to thermal power project in East Karo Hills, and this also the work, the documentation is on, and I'm sure very soon they'll be able to complete this documentation, the paperwork and all, and once that is completed, they will start even the thermal project in East Karo Hills district. We'll take a call, as I said to you, because today, ultimately after the thing in the meeting, the Athena Kanshi Power Private Limited, they expresses their inability to continue. So therefore, we are going to cancel the MOA. Once the MOA is cancelled, then only we will think how to go about it, whether this project can be revived or whether this self-identified project can be given to other interested new parties. It will come in the later stage. Then we have few small hydro project like Nong Ummer small project, power project, and then the other one is Umran small project, signed between VAX, AVCO JV Hyderabad, and also JMD Aqua Power Private Limited Delhi. Now the implementation for agreement, again MOA, is in the final stage, and I will take it to the cabinet for the approval of the cabinet, and once that is done, again we will sign the final agreement with these two companies for setting up of hydro project. Small one is 13.5 megawatt and the other one is 24 megawatt. This again, once the agreement is signed, then implementation will start soon. So these are the issues where we sat down today with all the developers, as I said, both central government public undertaking as well as the private developers, and these agencies, they identified themselves, the valley, they identified themselves, the rivers, and they did everything, be it the investment, be it anything, they will do it by themselves. And once that is done, as I said to you, once this project is completed, I'm sure we will have a surplus power even in the state of Negeri. Di hakatung ay MOA kini sign, kadon ba aspak sanpo, kadon besispa, kadon ni kabang ngelak penompi, amo, natrai pipek kini. Kalau kini kensi project kita itu 170 megawatt, kensi, ke stage 1. Nata kini ka baar ka kensi stage 2 kini 325 megawatt. Kita kini keba, kini ki company ultimately they surrender. They surrender means we are going to cancel it. The MOA has to be cancelled. Okay, you got it too, and then you will you'll get one more. Yeah, one is again a small project where the agreement was signed between SM Energenco Limited, Guwahati. It's only 15 megawatt. That also is cancelled. That is Upper Cree Stage 1. And then number 2, Upper Cree Stage 2. This is only 10 megawatt. The same company. That is also cancelled. Okay. So now those who are going to continue the implementation of the agreement signed is one is NIPCO. NIPCO is that, as I said to that Wa Umyam Stage 3, 85 megawatt. Then Umyam Stage 2, 100 megawatt. And then Umyam Stage 1, 50 megawatt. The thermal power project is about 500 megawatt. This is in East Garo Hills. This one is in East Garo Hills. When they get the observation of the Ministry of Forest and Environment, it so happened that belt, it seems it touches with the deposit of uranium. So therefore, on the basis of that, so they have to, ultimately surrender or cancel the MOA signed between the state government and the anti-government. No, because see, the problem is because the company, as I said, these are all purely private developers. When they went down over there, because see, when you just see from the surface, you don't know whether uranium is there or not. But when they went down to the ground and when they see clearances like from forest, like from the Ministry of Mines, Ministry of Coal, because so many ministries link with the issue of clearances. So ultimately they found out that this area touches the uranium deposit. Again, mga take over ban page ke power department na try first time na don kere meeting but ngia kre ni ke pasai na long ni long serious na kalian jong ke di developers so kilo serious na kalian ni government ni long serious bakino do ke clearances ngam namar ba kamde ke bangin syukurin ke masuk ban ong ba nakwa ban invest ban long ban Shina ya kan kono hydel power project kalasuk kamde kumda don kam bijing trailang ke state government ki department ni ba pero dia ngelai ke assurance ban ni na kalian ke state government ni kinu department kam nadu of forest ki pollution ban paro ngini trailang mereka ki developers kenang ba kila ya kawan pendet ya kan project ki ya ka ba kila ro at their own cost because I call a meeting a review meeting only with those projects which we have already handed over to the private developers or to the central government public undertaking like NIPCO. Okay. So these are the projects where we already decided, and these were the projects where few of them has to be cancelled because of the feasibility question. So ultimately the concerned developers, they said we will not be able to continue. So it ends there. And then, of course, from the MECL side, from our own corporation, we intend to again create this, again will come up with the stage 3 of that Leshka project. Leshka project, stage 3, and now the engineers and then the technical experts of MECL are on the job to prepare all the details, and then we intend to create one more stage 3 Leshka project. I've already deemed it. I did not less than 300 megawatts through this private investment. It will come around 300 megawatts.